Hi guys, and thank you for joining us on Hitting the Trail with Cletus today. We're starting out, there, can you see me a little bit better now? We're starting out today, or tonight actually, in Vienna, Illinois. Tomorrow we're going to hit the Ferne Clyffe Trail, and right now it is 17 degrees. And so we kind of want to show you around what we've got in our camp area. So come on over here. All right. Check this out. We've even got some ceramic heaters here keeping our tents warm tonight. I know that that's not very outdoorsy, but intense and 16 degrees, we thought this would be our best bet. And then I've got this bivvy style one-man tent over here. And just got us a nice little setup in here, and it's been staying pretty toasty warm in here. Well, I'm laying down for the night, and this is of course my bivvy tent. Got my pack behind me, got my heater down there, some extra clothes, the heater. Got my coat laying on top of my sleeping bag. I'm as extra down. Good morning and welcome to day one. Out here, just getting ready to get out into the world today. Yep, looks like it's gonna be kind of chilly for a while, but we're gonna do her. Feels like 8. Sweet. We are getting our start on the Round Bluff Nature Preserve Trail right down here at Shawnee. You guys ready?
We're ready.
We're ready.
Awesome walls of gorgeous icicles hanging down. We're going to work our way around all this stuff, but what beautiful footage. Yeah. Definitely a little crunchy out here today, but I guess that's to be expected when it's 21. So we did raise in temperature quite a few degrees. The sun's out, and we're just having a wonderful time out here.
Dripping, I could fall and hit us in the head, right?
Awesome. This is just a masterpiece. Beautiful. Look at that. Just pure beauty. I had to come up here to get a little closer shot of what you've got back in here. Gotta be very careful because it is very slick with the ice. But just beautiful. Wow. What a beauty. beautiful early morning sights of Shawnee Forest. We just decided that it'd be a good weekend to come down to southern Illinois, even with the cold temps, because usually whenever you're hiking, you're not getting too chilly out. And as you can see here, we're on a staircase, which definitely helps get the heart rate up, pump some blood, and of course with the beautiful sights, I don't think we could have chose a better weekend. Icicles are beautiful, but I did want to point out, never stand underneath them. You never know when they could thaw enough to just fall off. And that could severely injure or kill you if you happen to be under one whenever it came down. So enjoy them from afar. Those are the scenes you can find on the Round Bluff Nature Preserve right down here at the Shawnee National Forest in Ferne Clyffe State Park. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching Hitting the Trail with Cletus.